Kakadosh Boker Or. We are in Mishna Yomi Masechet Kiddushin, Perek Daled, 4th chapter, Mishna Gimel and Daled. The Mishnah starts when we're talking about disqualified people, like the Mamzer, which comes from a prohibited marriage, right? The Natin and the Shtuki and the Sufi. So it says like this: Kol asurim lavo bakala. Anybody which is prohibited to get married to regular Jews, so mutarim lavo zebezeh. So we mentioned this, that you're allowed to get married within themselves. That means a mamzer with a mamzeret, a mamzer with a natin, a mamzer with a sufi, a mamzer with a shtuki, and the same vice versa. Each one of them like that. Rabbi Yehuda, he comes and he says it's going to be asur. He prohibits a convert. He prohibits any type of a convert to get married to a mamzer. Now, again, Amonu Muav, they are allowed to, because they may marry such people, because they cannot get married, afpam, never to such, but a regular convert cannot get married to one of these people. Okay? Now, Rabbi Eliezer comes and he says like this: Vadan bevadaan, a marriage between a definite with a definite. So, for example, you're talking about, let's say, a mamzer to a mamzeret, because that's a for sure with a for sure. Vadai means for sure. So, for sure with a for sure is going to be permitted. Vada'am besfekan, but for sure and a doubt. So, for example, let's say you have a mamzer that's for sure and a mamzer that's a doubt, or a shtuki was where we're not sure. Or sfekam evadan, or a safek with a vadai. Or a doubt with a doubt is going to be a sul, which means the reason why is because only somebody that's disqualified 100%, right? So then he could get married, but maybe he's only a safek. So therefore, how could you tell him not to get married to a mamzer or to get married to somebody else? If be'emet, he might be a kosher Jew, how could you come and do that? What exactly is a safek? A shtuki, a sufi, and a kuti. So a shtuki, we already explained what it is, and a sufi, and also a kuti, right? The Kutim Jews, because again, this was the groups that they came during the time of the Bet HaMikdash. When they were attacked by lions, they converted. We don't know if there was a good conversion or not, and so therefore, that's why they did such a thing. So these are sfekot. We are not sure about their lineage. The last Mishnah Dalet, number 4. Hanosei isha kohenet. If a Kohen wants to marry a woman, right, that she's the daughter of a Kohen, so therefore he has to check her lineage 4 female ancestors above, 2 from the mother's side and 2 from the father's side. You have over there the chart, okay, where you have it in diagram A. Okay, so therefore Shen Shmona, which is actually going to be 8 female ancestors in total. So you're going to have number 1, the woman's mother. Okay, so you have the woman on the bottom of the chart in diagram A. You have the woman, so the woman's mother, which is on the left side. Okay, and then you have the mother's mother. So then again, basically it's the circle one, not the square one. So you have the mother, which is on the top left, and then again the top left, which is the mother's mother. Then you have number 3, which is going to be the woman's mother's father's mother, which is going to be the circle on top of the father. Okay, and then her mother, so that's the mother's father's mother, and right, and then you have, right, the number 5, the woman's father's mother and her mother, and the woman's father's mother and her mother. So then you have the other her mothers. So basically you have there all the different women: the mother, the mother's mother, father's mother, her mother, and then her mother. So therefore you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 over there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 women in the, which are the circles basically in diagram A. Okay, now when you have Leviav Yisraelit, when you have a Kohen we're getting married to a Levi or Yisrael, you're going to add 1 more generation. So it's going to be diagram B. So in diagram B on page 65, you have to add another 4. So therefore it's going to become 12. So that's the way that you're supposed to do it. Look there in the diagram where you could see all the different pictures.